unbox this beautiful Bistro set with me. I am so thrilled to have gotten this for my front patio. The cushions are wonderfully padded, easy to clean. I was really impressed with the quality. And then the furniture, it's all pre-made. It all comes in one box and it is beautiful. It's prettier than I can show in these videos. It is made from responsibly sourced acacia wood, and it came together so wonderfully. I did add the cushions. I don't think I needed to add the cushions. It's really pretty without them, and I cannot tell you how much I love sitting on my patio thanks to this beautiful set. When you zoom in close up, you can see the warm undertones of the wood. Everything is well finished for outdoors, so I don't need to add any finishing to start. I probably will in a few years, but this is truly made to last, and I love that it all folds up so I can put it away in the winter when not in use. I've already enjoyed many days on this set, and I know you will as well.